Welcome back. Let us continue.
First question. If x plus y is equal to 23 and xy is equal to 126, what is the value of x square plus y square? We know the formula x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Here you have to directly substitute the values and find out the value of x square plus y square. Let us substitute. 23 square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2 into xy is 126. Therefore, x square plus y square is equal to 23 square minus 2 into 126. 23 square is equal to 23 into 23, which is 23 into 3 is 69. 23 into 2 is 46. 9, 2, 5. This is 529. This will be 2 into 100 is 200. 2 into 26, 52. Therefore, it is 252. So we shall subtract 529 and 252. This will be 7. This will be 12 minus 5, 7. Again this is 3. Now it will be 2. So answer is equal to 277. Option A. Next question. If A is equal to 4xy by x plus y, find the value of a plus 2x divided by a minus 2x plus a plus 2y divided by a minus 2y. Okay. To find out this expression, we have to substitute the value of a into this expression and solve the expression. It will be coming as a big equation. We have to solve it. As far as quantitative aptitude is concerned, we have to solve the problems as quick as possible. So for this case, let us assume x is equal to some value and y is equal to some value. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Nothing is stopping from assuming this. Therefore, a is equal to 4 into 1 into 2 divided by 1 plus 2. This is equal to 8 by 3. Now let us substitute the numerical values into this equation and find out the output. Therefore, a plus 2x is given by 8 by 3 plus 2x is 2 divided by a minus 2x, that is 8 by 3 minus 2 plus 8 by 3 plus 2 into 2, 4 divided by 8 by 3 minus 2 into 2, 4. Okay, now let us solve. This is equal to, we shall multiply by 3 on top and bottom. This will be 8 plus 6 divided by 8 minus 6 plus 8 plus 4 3s are 12 divided by 8 minus 12, which again will be 14 by 2 plus this is 20 by minus 4. This is equal to 7 minus 5, which is equal to 2. The answer is 2. You can also substitute this value of a into this equation and try to find out the value, but it will take a lot of time. So by this method, we have quickly found out the answer, which is 2. Next question. A boy was asked to multiply a certain number by 53. He multiplied it by 35 and got his answer less than the correct one by 1206. Find the number to be multiplied. Let the number be x. Assume x is the number. Therefore, 53 into x minus 35 into x is equal to 1206. Taking x common, 53 minus 35 is equal to 1206. X into 53 minus 35 is 18. 1206. X is equal to 1206 by 18. We shall divide by 6. This will be 3. This will be 2, 0, 1. Again we can divide. This will be 6 3s are 18. 217. X is equal to 67. The number is 67, option B. Next question. There are a certain number of benches in a classroom. If 4 students sit on each bench, then 3 benches remain unoccupied. However, 3 students sit on each bench, then 3 students remain standing in the class. Find the number of students in the class. Okay. Let us assume S be the total number of students and n be the number of benches. So in the first case, case 1, 4 students sit on each bench, then the 3 benches remain unoccupied. It means the total number of benches used is n minus 3 and 4 students are sitting on each bench. So this will be equal to the total class strength, that is S. Next, in the case 2, 3 students sit on each bench, then 3 students remain standing on the class. It means 3 students sit on the total number of benches and 3 students are left out. So 3n plus 3 is equal to the total strength. Now we can equate these two equations. 4n minus 3 is equal to 3n plus 3. 4n minus 12 is equal to 3n plus 3. Rearranging, we will get n is equal to 12 plus 3, which is equal to 15. They are asking the number of students, so we shall use any of these equations. Let us use the first one. 4 into n minus 3, n is 15 minus 3 is equal to s. 4 into 12 is equal to s. S is equal to 48. The answer is D, 48. Next question. $6,500 were divided equally among certain number of persons. Had there been 15 more persons, each would have got $30 less. Find the original number of persons. Let x be the original number of persons. Okay, in the first case they are saying 6,500 were divided equally among certain number of persons. Therefore, each share will be equal to 6,500 divided by x. In the next case, had there been 15 more persons, each would have got $30 less. In the case 2, each share will be 6,500 divided by x plus 15. So they are saying the difference will be $30 because each would have got $30 less. So this is lower by $30. Therefore, we shall write the equation 6,500 by x minus 6,500 by x plus 15 is equal to 30. Okay. Now let us solve this equation. X into x plus 15. We can take 6,500 common. X plus 15 minus x is equal to 30. You can cancel this one. 650 into 15 divided by, this will get cancelled. X into x plus 15 is equal to 3. So this will be 5 times. Again, 650 into 5 is equal to x square plus 15x. Rearranging, we will get x square plus 15x minus 5 5s are 25, 2, 6 5s are 30, 32 is equal to 0. So this is the equation. Now we have to solve this. Here we have seen that 650 into 5 is equal to 3,250. It means 3250 is equal to 65 into 50. The difference will be 15. That is 65 minus 50 is 15. So we shall rearrange here. X square plus 65x minus 50x minus 3250 is equal to 0. X into x plus 65 minus 50 into x plus 65 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 65 into x minus 50 is equal to 0. X cannot be negative, so x is equal to 50. So the answer is 50 people were present initially. We will finish the remaining problems in next lecture. Thank you.